You shameless elders, you call this development. I forced my energies, yogic energies, to destroy the mining mafia air conditioners inside the home of Bal Mohan Das. Okay, and people live on roads while Times of India carries what they call huh? homes ready in costing several crores of rupees, which are on the path of destruction, on the path of rivers. You occupy lands post retirement of British bastard slavery. Okay, you want kingdoms to rule. You block our Nobel Prizes. You block our PhDs. Bloody bastard Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Police Academy with their lathis. That bastard Gandhi made weaponless. What do you call? So that people become weaponless and get beaten by the Afghanistan brutal British bastard Indian police. And people wear towels working for Ram Mandira, Ramco cement mining mafia. While what do you call, Venkaiah Naidu runs away to take his honorary doctorate. After becoming vice president, a person will take what they call honorary doctorate running away from Vizag to Hyderabad, and with my mantras the giver will lam yam two bijaksharas, his car will bounce, okay, and turtle up my Kurma Gotra and he will die in Canada. I am the Geetam University founder. And this is the India, British bastard Islamic divide and rule policy India. Cricket team, 11 people are died. When I targeted my energies to destroy air conditioners in your home, it got diverted along with your corruption of what they call shipyard India Limited and the Anupam Cranes of Mumbai, most probably. Okay, 3 year still it is under testing, and the dogs are barking now. Okay, they are not able to understand. Okay, and they are barking. When will you make me prime minister? They are asking me, when will you make me prime minister? Or Kojja KCR 9 months, second time delivery chief minister. Okay. What shall I explain them? Mr. Balmohan Das? Kojja Krejewal? See? This one is silent. It is not barking. Okay. At least these dogs seem to have got understood your bloody, what they call, exploitation process, and they are silent now. What you are making, the vice president of Philippines, what do you call, his home is made on what do you call, coconut trees. Okay, coconut palace, let everyone search Philippines vice president of Philippines residence. Okay, it is made on not cement, RCC, Professor Veer Raju, British College of Technology and Engineering, AMI, which half building has been collapsed, struck down to build another building. Okay, so he says this scoundrel will say, okay, Modi Narendra, who became prime minister because of my pushing, he will say that Ram temple will stay for 1,000 years. Huh? Your RC, is it a RCC construction or a pure stone based construction? Huh? Your Amravati will be washed away. Brahmam garu రాశారు. పోతులూరి వీర బ్రహ్మేంద్ర స్వామి గారు రాశారు. Gandhi burns your Aadhaar card. I have invented 1.5 spiral largest L-line effect. So when will people wake up and fight for Amma Kotagra state or kingdom of Kalki Avatar, a basic one? Okay, these bluffing bastards are just fleecing the people's money, building their private properties and industries, which they will not carry with them, when they die. Okay, as this person, what do you call, Dr. Annam Srinivas Rao. So I'm closing this video for making giving the last chance for the bloody politicians to self-chop their heads at Sri Potuluri Veera Brahmendra Swami Matam. Failing which, I will start chopping the mining mafia. Okay. Om Amma Kotagrin Namaha.